Pastor Benny, we are glad to have you here with us, and we really appreciate you coming here. We want to know how's the experience been so far with the Give Thyself Holy Conference this year?
My experience, based on my expectation, has been phenomenal, because what I expected has already happened in the first session. When we came to the Flow prayer meeting at 4 a.m, the anointing just increased over the whole day and this morning.
You've been coming for Give Thyself Holy year on?
For 18 years.
For 18 years, wow. How's this year's experience, how different is it?
This year's experience, the anointing on Bishop is far greater. It's gone exponential from the first time that I came. And it's been just a special time for us. That's why we invest in coming here to the conference.
Okay. And what are you going to take home from this conference?
My takeaway is the anointing, because through osmosis and through the laying on of hands we receive a blessing. So I take that blessing back to my country, and I share with the people in my country, because that blessing increases. So for people that haven't come, they're missing out on a great blessing. It's something that we should move from whatever country in the world we are to be here for this special time.
What would you say to anyone who didn't come this year? What would you say to encourage them?
I would say, as the anointing on Bishop Dag increases, don't stay home. Do all you can. Make that investment. Save up through the year even to get here, and make the investment, because it's a life-changing experience.
Thank you, Pastor Benny. We are glad to have you here.
Thank you.